Hi, what you can hear in the background is the noise of the wind farm. The wind turbines, there is 20 of them here. We are in Ravenshoe, Queensland. It was the first wind farm that was built and commissioned in Queensland in the year 2000. It generates so much power that it can provide electricity to around 35,000 homes. That's the number of houses that is in Atherton and Mariba. Australia can reach the renewable energy target way before 2030. We have technologies and resources to do it today or within a very short time. There is no need to wait until 2030. Australia can easily supply electricity overseas. We have so many sunny days. Even here in Mariba, there is 300 days of sunshine per year. Amazing stuff, guys. Wind, solar and geothermal are three types of renewable energies that we can harvest in this country. It's a shame we cannot charge here the car directly from the plug somewhere, three-phase. There is no three-phase available. That would be nice, wouldn't it?